Hi guys, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Obape Kyajeche. I teach people how to use a company's products and get paid every week. And in today's video, I am going to show you the yearly ROI tips and tricks with this company. And this is going to be a video in a form of ROI detailed information, or say your ROI formula, or return on investment information in 20 minutes, right? Okay, so wherever you're watching me from, don't forget to hit on the subscribe button. So if you are ready, let's go straight to today's video. Ladies and gentlemen, I told you about this company, that if you should use our products, we are going to help you gain financial freedom, and we are going to give you certain life things you need in life, like a new car every 6 months, adventure with us because you get to tour the world, visit places, meet people, and of course your trips that you are going to have are 100% sponsored by us. And this would help you create a generational income, or say wealth, and you'd also have time with your family. And you can do that only by switching your brand, using company product, and getting paid every week for using the product. I have talked about how you get paid. You get paid every week. You get paid in 10 different ways. I'll share some of the links that have explained this particular method of you getting paid in the comment section, so you can just click on it and then you watch them, or you can also check the description and you can get the information from there. Okay, this is what we are going to discuss now. In this company, we have 12 weeks, which we call the cycles. After the 12th cycle, this is what you should earn. This is your return on investment. Okay, so there are levels. Q silver level, at the end of the year, your return on investment on the Q silver level, you should get 47,000 Ghana cedis. Silver should earn you 94,000 Ghana cedis. Gold should earn you 416,000 Ghana cedis. Platinum VIP should earn you 124,863 Ghana cedis. Okay, so I don't know how it is converted in the dollar, so you can convert this to the dollar rate. Now let's take a look at the first entry level, which is the gold package. So by the end of the year, if you should do the 2,200 gold package, you are going to earn 41600 Ghana cedis. And if you do not break the chain, if by every week you should get people to join you to create this generational income, you are going to earn a whole lot. We will take a look at it over here. Now the first week is you alone. You saw this platform, you joined, you earned 240 points. If you should do the 2,200 Ghana cedis, you are earning 240 points. So it's 240 points at the cumulative PV, right? You can see cumulative PV here. And you don't have a team yet, so you don't have any team performance, right, for you to be paid. Now your new rank is pre-diamond. It is said, it's explained as pre-diamond because you haven't reached the diamond one, the ranks. Okay, so it's pre-diamond, so you only take products. Now week 3, the first week, you get 3 people in addition to you. If they make 4 420 PV. If we add a 420 PV, 240 PV to your 720 PV, you are getting 960 PV. And this one, simply fastest way to hit rank diamond 1. And this is how much you are going to be paid. You are going to be paid 297.60 Ghana cedis. Second week, if you get additional, you teach your 3 people to find 3 people, and you also find 3 people, you're going to get 9 people membership, and you get new PV of 2,160, and your cumulative PV is going to be 3,120. If I say cumulative PV, it is your PV plus the new people that joined you, their PVs, then which is earning 3,120 PVs, and you are getting performance payment of 568.80, and it is taking you to diamond 2. That is if the chain does not break and you continue to get people on board. Now let's quickly shift to diamond 4. Diamond 4 level is where the company sets aside 1% global sales for you. This 1% sales qualify you for a free travel, a free trip. So here it's Dubai, so you get 1 free Dubai trip plus 2,000 Ghana cedis worth of tablet or laptop. You can take the laptop or you can take the tablet. Everything is by your choice. Okay, now here diamond 5, you get 1 slot free Dubai trip, 6,000 educational fund. If you want the educational fund, you take it. If you want the cash, you take it. Now the car fund of 10,000 US dollars. Diamond 6, you get a car fund of 18,000 US dollars plus 2,000 for educational fund. If you want an educational fund, you take it, plus a trip, okay, Dubai trip. So that's how it is with now let's take a look at the next level, which is the 1,200 silver package. Now if it continues for a year where you get people on board, this is how it's going to be. With a 1,200 Ghana cedis silver package, you are going to earn a return on investment at 94.192 Ghana cedis at the end of the year. This video actually is something like ROI detailed information, or return on investment detailed information, or this, let me say, this is evidence based investing. Okay, so I've given you the figures. So here, your first week is you alone, you earn 120 PV. If I talk of PV or point values are points that are attached to every product. So if you should buy sanitary towel with this company, you earn points. Now a total of 1,200 Ghana cedis is going to fetch you 120 PV, and at that time it's you alone with 120 PV. You don't have a team yet, and you may not earn any income except the product you take, and if you decide to sell, you make some cash out of it. First week, if you should get people on board, you're going to fetch 360 PV plus your 120 PV, and you are earning 480 PV. Now this is how much you're going to earn for the week, which is 220 Ghana cedis, 80 pesos. At that time you are at the pre-diamond stage. Okay, now your second week you can hit the diamond 1 with a total weekly pay of 338 Ghana cedis, 40 pesos. If it continues, you are taking 1,339 Ghana cedis, 20 pesos at diamond 2. Now we haven't reached diamond 3 yet. Diamond 3 is earning you 2,703 Ghana cedis, 0.60 pesos at diamond 3. So it continues. Diamond 4, you are earning 6,000 and over. Diamond 5, you are earning 12,000. Diamond 6, 12,000. Diamond 7, 12,000. And mind you, when you hit diamond 4, it activates the trips that you can take. But in here, the trip is going to be 6,000 as compared to the other one, which was 2,000. So here you get an increase, or say a raise of 4,000 Ghana cedis. You can change it if you want for educational scholarship. And that's it. Let's continue to the next level, which is xoxo package. And mind you, when you do these packages, the company gives you products worth of the cash 700 Ghana cedis, which is dollar equivalent $100. Yeah, you are taking 47.546 Ghana cedis by the end of the year. Let's say it is going to be your yearly return on investment, and the first week 700 cedis is going to fetch you 60 points, and 60 points, you don't have a team and it may not fetch you any cash. You just take the products, and when you get the products, you make sales if you want to sell them. If you want to use, you use them, and here you get the interest from selling of the product. So the second week, the first week actually, you are earning 180 points if you get 3 people on board. In addition to you are getting 180 points. Now the second week, let's say you are taking 9 people. Okay, you have 9 people on board, you are earning 540 points. The third week is 27 people. It keeps multiplying. Okay, so here you earn 1620 point value. Now this new members that you will need to make all these PVs, you need to teach them how to get the products out to people, and people get to patronize. Actually, the products are good. They are good products, so everybody would want to use it. So it's easy to get people on board. But yes, because the products sell themselves, everybody wants good stuff. So by 6th week, you have 729 people with 43,740 points. And look at how much you're taking: 65.580. You're taking 6,000. I've been at Diamond 4 plus your incentive or your travel incentives. In Ghanaian language, you will say in Satya Nyinanyepe. We are all not the same. We all don't have the same strength. Others are stronger than others aren't. So we have the student package. We know that as a student, you'd want to start something. You don't want to wait for you to complete your tertiary education before you start something. You can start with 350 Ghana cedis, and by the end of the year, your return on investment is going to earn you 23,836 Ghana cedis. With the 350 Ghana cedis, let's take a look at this. By the end of the 12th cycle, the 12th month, this is how much you are. A new membership, you'll be earning 531,441,000. So you have 13.256.025 new points value. Okay, and the accumulative points 19.920025, and you are earning 3.000.00 Ghana cedis. Let's take a look at something here when it comes to all the entry levels. You see, the ultimate of it all is to reach the star directorship level, and the star directorship level, you'll be earning a house fund. The highest ranks are the star directorship ranks. Okay, so the star director one, you are taking a Dubai trip, executive MBA, house fund of 150,000 Ghana cedis, plus Dubai trip, plus China trip when you hit the star directorship 2, and star directorship 3, you're taking house fund of 500,000 plus Dubai trip and China trip. So that's the highest peak of it all. And in a year, if you find these PVs, okay, if you find these PVs and you can hit star director position, if you find 5 points continuous throughout the cycle, you are hitting the highest ranks in the company, which is the star directorship position. So how do you join? how do you begin? Now let me show you. It's simple how you can join us. I'm going to leave an email in the description. Make sure you check it out. Send me a message, tell me you want to start. Just type, hey, I want to begin the program I saw on YouTube, and I'm going to get you started. Now let's take a look at this quickly. To become a partner with 2,200 Ghana cedis, I told you that at 2,200 cedis is what the gold level. At the gold level, we are going to get products with product value of 2,500, and these products, when you sell them, get an interest of 300 cedis, right? So the 300 cedis, that's aside the weekly payment. Now some of the products are listed here. You get the alkaline water treatment tank, the tester, calcium sanitary pad, toothpaste, bamboo soap, body cream, hand cream, deodorant, mouth refreshener, body wash, shampoo, repellent, arthro sub reviver for the joints. Now silver, you are taking 1,200 worth of products, and you are getting a value of 1,500 Ghana cedis. Now here the company is paying you 8% every week, and the total PV is 120. This is a total of products you can get. It's not restrictive though. 700 is the silver level. Get product value of 900 cedis, and the 60 PV is the points value attached to your 700 Ghana cedis, and you earn 8% of your weekly payment. Okay, you start with gold with 2,200, you get product value of 2,500. The silver, you earn 8%. Gold, you earn 10%. Okay, silver, you earn 8%, and it's 130 point value. That's 1,150 Ghana cedis, and you are taking products worth 1,500, and your points value is 130 point value. There's something here, investment. We didn't talk about this particular entry levels, and this one I'm going to do it some other time, but it's the stockist. I'll make sure I explain it in the next video, so please subscribe so you get information on these investment entry levels, and you can invest with us, and you are going to love your future. Okay, if this video is valuable, feel free and share this video to all your platforms. Who knows, you would be becoming a savior to your friends or family who would want to use products and get paid for using the products, and who want big return on investments by the end of the year. Okay, so you can also check out on my Facebook page, Check No Dey Bounce. Hit on the like button so you meet me every week on my Facebook live, and subscribe so you don't miss any video I put out here. I'm going to catch you on the flip side. For now, I'll see you at the top. Bye bye.